The saxophone is the most common wind instrument in modern pop and especially jazz music. My name is Andy and I'm here today with Beyerdynamic to help you find your perfect saxophone miking choice. No matter if in live or recording scenarios, miking a saxophone requires some basic knowledge about the instrument itself. The most important aspect to mention is that due to the tone holes being spread all over the instrument, the tone is not only generated at the bell, but the whole body of the saxophone. So pointing a mic directly towards the bell is one option, but placing it slightly higher, pointing at the body of the sax, will give you a more natural and full tone. In this video, Dorina is playing an alto saxophone. The principles are the same with other saxophone types, but due to the completely different frequency range of a baritone sax, for example, the mic you choose to capture it might be different. Now let's get started and hear how the sound changes if we move the mic up, starting at the bell. I will also show you how the sound changes if you move the mic slightly off axis. Here we are using a dynamic M88 microphone for direct comparison. Keep in mind that the high air pressure levels directly in front of the bell might be an issue with certain mics. So make sure to either use a windshield or use mics that are capable of dealing with those high air pressure levels. The higher you go, the more indirect but natural the sound will become. The same happens if you move the mic away from the instrument. You will capture a more natural image and record more of the room. If you don't have to deal with bleed from other instruments on the same stage or in the same room, simply go for the option your ear likes most. On stage, or when recording with other instruments in the room, placing the mic close to the bell will help to minimize bleed and give you the most direct signal possible. Now, let's stick with one miking position and talk about different microphone types. The M88 you already saw is a dynamic mic that has its strength especially in mid-frequencies. This directional mic helps a lot to get a very focused sound without too much bleed. Another great and more affordable dynamic option is the TG-I51. Compared to dynamic microphones, condenser mics feature a lot more high-end, but usually are a lot more likely to cause bleed issues. Even though the small diaphragm condenser MC930 is a directional mic as well, due to its high sensitivity, bleed might become a problem in some scenarios. To protect the membrane, we recommend using a windscreen when using a condenser mic on the saxophone. If you're looking for a less expensive condenser option, the TG-I53 might be the right choice for you. The third mic I want to show you is a ribbon microphone. The M160 is one of Beyerdynamic's classics and well known for a very soft high end and its full and natural sound. Let's hear all three mic types in a direct comparison. It comes down to your personal taste which mic you prefer. All those options work great, but you should also keep the surroundings in mind when choosing the mic. So the mic and position you choose will vary from one situation to the next, but those basic principles and ideas will definitely help you to find the perfect solution for every scenario. So, what is your experience with miking saxophones? Let us know down in the comments and see you in one of the other videos.